So welcome to AmpQuartz, and today in this episode I'm going to introduce our newest product, which is the 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet. So the first good thing about 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet is its Honeycomb Core Structure.
So firstly, the Honeycomb Structure. So the Honeycomb Structure is inspired by nature, specifically the hexagon pattern found in beehives, which is known for its strength to weight ratio. This structure allows the cabinet panels to be light yet very strong without needing thick solid material that would add extra weight. Secondly, the material composition. The honeycomb core is made by layering thin sheets of aluminum in a hexagon patterns, then sealing it between two outer aluminum panels. This design minimizes the amount of aluminum used while still providing the significant strength. And lastly, the benefit of honeycomb core, of course, it's to help you to distribute forces evenly across the surface so it can withstand more weight and pressure without denting and warping.
And secondly, we have improved strength and durability for 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet.
So how does honeycomb structure improve the durability and strength of the cabinet? The honeycomb design provides a strong support structure that allows these cabinets to handle a significant load. Kitchen items like cookware, pots and appliances can be stored without worry about sagging or bending, which is a common problem with wooden or other cabinets over time. Secondly, the impact resistance. Aluminium honeycomb panels are excellent at absorbing impact, meaning they are less likely to dent or scratch if something hits the cabinet doors. Last but not least, the corrosions and rust resistance. Aluminium naturally forms an oxide layer on its surface, protecting it from corrosion, especially in humid or moist environment like kitchens.
So thirdly, the benefit is going to be the enhanced thermal effectiveness and the soundproof.
The other benefit that you need to know for the honeycomb structure is the enhanced thermal and sound insulation. Firstly, thermal insulation. The honeycomb structure acts as a natural insulator, reducing the amount of heat transferred through the cabinet walls. This helps to regulate the temperature inside the cabinet, making it less likely for food or items to be exposed to extreme temperatures. Secondly, the sound dampening effect. The honeycomb design also reduces noises. For instance, when you close the cabinet doors, the sound is softened, which makes the kitchen quieter and more pleasant. This feature can be particularly appealing in open plan homes where kitchen noise could easily travel to other areas. So, the 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet also contributed to the eco-friendliness. They are recyclable and sustainable. Aluminium is 100% recyclable without the loss of quality, meaning that it can be melted down and reused repeatedly. Many manufacturers use recycled aluminium to make these honeycomb panels, which reduces the environmental impact associated with mining the new raw materials. Secondly, material efficiency. The honeycomb core requires less material while providing maximum strength, which is a sustainable approach to manufacturing. This helps in reducing waste and conserving resource compared to other solid material like wood.
Of course, one of the best selling points of 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet is its modern aesthetic, like this.
For the next benefit of 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet, it's the modern and sleek aesthetic. So, the contemporary finishes. 6G Aluminium Honeycomb Cabinets often feature stylish finishes such as matte or high glow surfaces that give a modern, elegant look to the kitchen. Some finishes may even resemble wood or stone, offering the versatility in design. Secondly, the handleless options. Many of these cabinets are designed with handleless doors, creating a smooth, uninterrupted surface that adds to the minimalist appeal. And last but not least, the color variety. Aluminium kitchen cabinets can come in various colors and finishes, depends on your preferences, from neutral grays and blacks to vibrant shades.
So last but not least, the good thing about 6G Aluminium Kitchen Cabinet is easy to clean and easy to maintain.
So for the sixth benefit is going to be the easy maintenance and cleaning features. The 6G aluminum kitchen cabinet is a non-porous nature, makes it resistant to stains and mold. Even if there's a spill or grease splatter, it won't seep into the surface, making it easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. Secondly, the long-lasting appearance. Because of its resistance to corrosions, these cabinets maintain their appearance longer than wood-based cabinets. They don't fade, peel or warp. Last but not least, the low upkeep requirements. Firstly, there is no need for sanding, repainting or sealing as it is often required with wooden cabinets. The cleaning routine is usually all that needed to keep them in top-notch shape. So the last benefit is going to be the anti-termite and fire resistance. So for the last benefit of today's episode, it's going to be the, of course, resistance to pest and fire. Firstly, the anti-termite and pest resistant features. Unlike wood, 6G aluminum is impervious to termites and other pests, which makes it ideal for locations where pest problems are common. This ensures that the cabinet stays intact and structurally sound without the need of pest control treatments. Secondly, the fire and heat resistant. Aluminium is non-combustible, meaning it won't catch fire literally. In case of a kitchen fire, aluminium cabinet won't contribute to spreading flames, providing an extra layer of safety. They are also highly resistant to high temperatures, making them safer to use around the ovens and stoves. Quartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.